So it says Jalen has $10.35 in quarters and nickels. He has a total of 99 coins. How many of each coin does he have? All right, so just like we were working on with the find the two missing numbers problem, these are very similar, except for the fact in this case, we are going to be adding value to being the quarters and the nickels. So we're going to start by saying, let's say like X is the number of nickels. And let's go with Y is the value of quarters. Okay. Now there is one really easy equation to come up with, and it's this one right here. I kind of go to this one automatically. Remember yesterday we broke the statement into two pieces and we were able to build our equations. It says the easy one is he has a total of 99 coins. And one of the things that it says is he has a total of 99 coins and they're just quarters and nickels. So if he has a total of them, remember total means we can add them together. So I'm going to start by just simply saying that we have X nickels plus Y quarters, and that equals to 99. And there's that similarity from yesterday's work, okay? Now we have to go to this piece, which is all about how much money he has, okay? Well, we know that the total that he has is $10.35. Okay, he has a total of $10.35. Well, how do we find out how much money he has, right? Well, he has Y quarters, okay? Well, if he has Y quarters, 1 quarter is 25 cents, 2 quarters is 50 cents, 3 quarters is 75 cents. So in other words, we take the number of quarters that he has and we multiply it by how much it is worth, which is 0.25. And then what we have to do is we have to add how many nickels he has. Well, if he has 1 nickel, that's 5 cents. If he has 2 nickels, that's 10 cents. If he has 3 nickels, that's 15 cents. So in other words, we take the number of nickels and we multiply it by how much that is worth. So nickels being X and a nickel being 0.05. So he has 0.05X plus 0.25Y. And that equals to $10.35, okay? Now, the easiest way in this case that I find to solve this is gonna be through elimination, and that's because the X's and the Y's are already stacked and in place. But if you remember, in order to do elimination, we have to multiply one of the lines in order to get the opposite coefficient. So in order to do that, I'm going to take this first line, X plus Y equals to 99, and I'm going to get rid of the X's. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply by negative 0.05. And remember what we do on one side, we have to do to the other. Okay. So what that gives me is if I write the line down here, I get negative 0.05X plus negative 0.05Y equals to 99 nickels, which is going to be, if we go to Desmos and we want to type this in, this is not hard math, but for some of us, we may want to use that calculator. 99 times 5 cents, it's going to be $5 minus a nickel. So 99 times 0.05, we know is $4.95. Okay, so I'm going to come back. I'm going to write negative $4.95. And so what we've done is we've just moved that down there. We're just doing the elimination piece. So when we add them together, these end, they cancel out because they're inverses. We take a quarter and we subtract a nickel, which is going to give us 20 cents. And then we take $10.35 and we multiply and we subtract off $4.95. So $10.35. And let's go ahead and subtract $4.95, and that's going to give us $5.40. Okay, and once again, we finish this off by dividing by 0.2. Okay, that cancels, y comes out. We take $5.40 divided by 0.2, 20 cents. There's 5 20-cent pieces for $1. So we could do this pretty quickly, but we can just go ahead and type it in, $5.40, and divide it by 0.2. That's going to give us 27. Okay, so y equals to, whoops, y equals to 27. So that tells us there are going to be 27 quarters. Okay, and now in order to find the nickels, we just go back to the easy equation that we had, which is the x plus y equals to 99. I always go to the easy equation, and I'm going to plug in how many quarters are, which is 27. And I'm just simply going to type that in, or write that in, x plus 27 equals to 99. Subtract off 27. Okay, and we get 72. X equals to 72. So now we have to remember, what is that? 72 is the number of nickels. 27 is the number of quarters. And when we type this answer in, we do need to go ahead and pay attention to how it's asked. We're going to say, okay, well, I know that the quarters equals 27, and the nickels equal to 72. Okay, and I'm going to plug it in that way.